Oh no! La 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 la. No matter. So, wake up! Come on!
Oh, Sammy, it's my day off.
There's a world-scale problem here, and you're still sleeping?
Just 5 more minutes, then I'll go save the world with you.
Guys, do you also wake up slowly in the morning and switch your alarm clock every 5 minutes like Sue? Write in the comments what you do to help yourself get up in the morning. Sleepy Sue, you're asking for this.
Fine, I'm getting up. Just keep your home orchestra quiet.
Good morning, dear Susie. Allow me to inform you
That what?
that you need to sign me up for cooking classes!
Oh, Sam! What a catastrophe! Did a meteorite fall into our kitchen? Or were there worldwide cooking battles in here?
Well, you see, I wanted to treat you to something yummy. And then Fluffy came and started jumping all over the place and I couldn't keep up. Wow. Hey, psst, cover me. Sue won't scold you.
It's okay. I don't always cook so well myself. Let me show you some recipes for simple and delicious breakfasts. Anyone can make them.
Even a slick slime Sam like me?
Of course, but only if you try really hard.
Sue, you're a real magician. Teach me quick! Guys, can you cook? Write your favorite dish in the comments. Sue and I will select the most delicious one and shoot a video about it.
Hi guys! Our first recipe will be chocolate spoons. They'll make any yogurt even more delicious.
What about milk? Or tea? Or cocoa?
Yes, you're right! The options are endless. Start helping me now and get me the prettiest tape. First, let's put the spoons on the plate like this. It'll be easier to place the chocolate there.
Sue!
Oh.
I can't choose. You do it, please.
And fix the spoons on the plate with tape. We'll place the chocolate into the spoons neatly. And carefully melt the chocolate with a hairdryer. Now we'll need to smooth the surface.
Let me help! Ugh.
Allow me, Sammy.
Oh, so pretty. I need to taste it.
Wait, Sammy. We need to decorate them like this. And place them into the fridge to set. And we'll need these. Great! We've got so many sprinkles left. We'll need them for the next treat.
Oh, but Sue, those are my bananas for dinner.
Don't you want to try my super dessert marshmallow and banana in chocolate?
Oh, there's one extra left.
Sam, you're the slyest slime in the world. We'll cut the banana into slices, just like this. Remember to be careful with the knife, guys. And cut the marshmallows in half. Then, we need to skewer the banana and marshmallow, alternating them. One, and then the other. Yum!
Dearest Susie, if you have some pieces of marshmallow left, what are you gonna do with them?
Share them with you, I guess.
Hooray! Guys, let's see who we have more of among our viewers. Marshmallow lovers or banana lovers? Write in the comments.
While Sam was dealing with the marshmallows, I melted some chocolate in a glass. Very carefully now, one by one. We need to make sure we don't splatter chocolate everywhere.
Me! You can splatter me! It's good for my health.
Well, if it's good for your health, then here.
This is a ridiculously small portion. I'll have to finish my own stash.
This is a great combination. I think it'll be delicious.
Hey, where's the sprinkles?
Catch, Sammy!
Oh!
Our dessert came out even better than I imagined. I need to hide them from Sam.
Where are my banana sticks? Where are the chocolate spoons?
They're in the fridge. You need to wait.
Been cooking and cooking for nothing.
Cheer up. To make the waiting easier, I'll make you a drink.
Honey, Sue, aren't you afraid bears will come for it?
What bears, Sam? They don't live near our house. First, we need to blend the strawberries and honey.
That's it. If bears don't come after honey, then bees certainly will. Sue, do you want me to make a protective net for you?
Sam, calm down. I bought this honey in a shop. Nobody's after it. Now we'll mix cottage cheese and yogurt. Sam! Blueberries?
I think they'll make it tastier. Blend them up.
Now is a crucial moment. We'll pour the berry mixes from the 2 containers into the glass.
Wow, so pretty. 2-colored.
Your breakfast is ready, Mr. Sam.
The most delicious breakfast in the world.
With all these breakfasts for Sam, I got really hungry myself. What to cook? Savory, but easy to make.
Cooking something delicious without me again?
Yay! I've got an idea! I'll make a pizza in a bun.
Commencing special mission, Susie and her secret pizza.
you. I've got a surprise for you.
Coming, Susie. Phew. I've been helping Fluffy find his ball.
Well done, Mr. Helper. Do you want me to teach you one more edible trick?
Did you hide cheese in the apple?
I would never do that to you. We'll make fries out of the apple.
Will you make a burger out of this apple?
No, but I'll need it too. I'll cut one apple into sticks. Then, I'll insert toothpicks into these sticks. With the help of this template, I'll cut out an M on the apple, like McDonald's.
Oh, Sue, you think this'll help you turn an apple into fries?
I think it's going to come out very similar. Oh, I like this fast food. Yum.
I need to try it. Maybe it really tastes like the real thing.
I think that pizza in a bun came out really well. Guys, if you liked it, give a thumbs up and I'll come up with more delicious recipes.
Sue, where are you? Dear Susie, today I have the honor of awarding you the best cook of delicious breakfasts and present you with these wonderful, most delicious milk straws.
Oh, that's so sweet. They're so unusual.
Oh, Sue, try them quick.
I am.
And what about me?
Sure. Help yourself, Sam. Delicious.
Guys, did you like Sue's recipes? Give a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel!
Leave your favorite recipes in the comments below and we'll try them out. Bye-bye!